Today we're going to cover how to set up the Kelty wireless 4-person tent. This spacious, durable, and weatherproof tent is perfect for camping trips, so let's get started. First, find a flat, clear area and lay out the tent body, ensuring the doors are positioned where you want them. Next, spread out the tent body and stake down the corners, making sure the tent is taut and evenly spread out. Assemble the two primary tent poles. Insert the poles into the corresponding pole sleeves on the tent body at the corners of the tent. Then attach the tent clips to the poles to secure the tent structure. Assemble the ridge pole into the two grommets at the midpoint over the tent. Lay the rainfly over the tent, aligning the vestibules with the doors. Secure the rainfly to the tent body using the color-coded buckles and tighten as needed. Stake out the vestibules and guylines to provide additional stability and ensure proper rain protection. Then, make any final adjustments to the stakes and guylines to achieve a tight, secure setup. Setting up the Kelty wireless took me about 15 to 20 minutes total, but can be done much faster with 2 people. Now here's how to take it down. Remove the stakes from the vestibules and guylines. Detach the rainfly from the tent body and set it aside. Remove the tent clips from the poles, and then carefully remove the poles from the sleeves. Collapse the tent poles and set them aside. Remove the tent stakes from the tent corners and lay the tent body flat on the ground. Fold the tent body neatly. Start by folding it in thirds lengthwise. Roll the tent body from one end to the other, squeezing out any remaining air as you go. Then place the rolled tent body, rainfly stakes, and poles into their respective stuff sacks. That's it! Taking down the Kelty wireless is a breeze and took me just a tad under 10 minutes. I really love the quality for the price that comes with Kelty products. The Kelty wireless is a great tent and one that we highly recommend. But regardless of the tent you choose to camp with, it is an absolute must to test out setting up and taking down your tent at home when using it for the first time. Camping is all about enjoying the outdoors, and mastering your tent setup will make your trips more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more camping tips and gear reviews.